Hello traders, welcome to KineFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akin King. I am the lead instructor. So guys, I want to give you a strategy that you can use to follow the trend and win big in the market. That is the strategy that allow you to stay long in the market to take enough of profits. You understand? So this strategy contain just three indicators. That is, what you can see on the main chart is envelopes indicator, and on the indicator window you can see RSI and moving average. You understand? First of all, if you are new to this channel, please click on subscribe button, like the video and share it. You understand? That is the only motivation we can get from you. We drop different strategy on this channel every day, almost every day. So, and the reason for the different strategy is just to create different edge. You understand? So just to create different edge that give us an options to different strategy in order to follow the one that works best for us. You understand? So like I always said, we're changing from one strategy to the other cannot help. So instead, find the one that's suitable for your style of trading and stick to it. You understand? So we have been finding a way to stay long in boom and crash markets, then this strategy is for you. So how do you apply this strategy and how do you trade with this strategy? You understand? First of all, let's add those indicators to our charts so that we can be following along when I'm explaining. So the first indicators is the envelope. So find the envelope. Let me delete it so that we can do that together. You understand? So click on the F plus, you find the envelope. The period is 1450. Just leave the parameters like this. I think this is the default setting. You understand? So leave the parameters like this. Click on done after that. Then find the RSI, relative strength index. So the period is 1, apply to close. So this star here, we don't need it. Use the background color of your chart. I'm using white, that's why I use white. So the level here, we are using level 90, 15, and 10. I'm going to explain why we are using those levels. Just stick to this video. Then click on done after that. The last one is the moving average. We are adding it to the indicator window 1. Just click on the F plus, then click on the moving average. The period is 10 shift to 0. Method is exponential, apply to close, type 4%. You can use any color of your choice. So after you have add those indicators, click on done after that. So after you click on done, if you added it very well, so you should see something like this. So put your chart on the last zoom. You understand? You know this is the so drag it down to the last zoom so that you can have a better view of the chart. You understand? So yeah, as we are following the trend, we buy at a support level and we sell at a resistance level. So this is a two-in-one strategy. Like the strategy works for both catching spike and trading against the spike. You understand? So anytime the market come, let us assume you want to catch spike here now. So listen attentively when you are catching spike with this beautiful strategy. Let us assume you have confirmed that the moving average has already come to the level 10 of the RSI, which is work as our resistance, as our support level. You understand? The level 10 work as our support level, while the level 90 work as our resistance level. You understand? So once markets come to this level, these are the things you are going to be waiting for. You wait for a spike to happen to cross above the upper band of the envelope. The upper band of the envelope is the blue line. So once you see the crossing above the upper band of the envelope, that has given a buy signal. Understand? You enter for a buy. You see what has been secured. You see how long the trade goes. So you know how much you will have make through that. You understand? So that is the condition when buying. You wait till the blue line cross before you enter. That is a confirmation. You understand? Because it's possible for this moving average to get to this resistance level, but if you buy immediately, it may shock you that the trend is still continue. You understand that the trend is not changing. You understand? But if you are waiting for that to happen, that is a confirmation, enough confirmation for you to confirm that the trend has already changed. You understand? So now if you are selling, if you are trading against the trend, so this is the condition. So after seeing the market come to your resistance level here, so you wait for price to cross below the lower band. The lower band of the envelope is the red. So once you see the cross below red, you enter for sell. You can see how much will have been secured here. You understand? So this is how the strategies work. It work on all the markets. You understand? So the rest is left for you. So it's left for you to enter the chart, demo trade, test it. So what are you doing that you cannot back test? Back test, confirm the strategy and demo trade it. See that the strategy is working. Then you can fund the account and trade it on live account. But just have it in back of mind that any strategy you get on KingFX Academy YouTube channel has been tested, you understand, and it's working for us before you come out with a video to drop it here to help the beginners traders and also professional traders that like to trade or scalp boom and crash, you understand. So this strategy is very, very okay to trade. So guys, like I always said, always trade responsible. You understand? Your risk management is very, very, very important. It's more than any strategy. You understand? So having a receiving strategy from everyone, if you are not good about your risk management, the strategy is going to be useless at the end of the day. So try to master your risk very, very well. So guys, I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And if you are not joined, yes, don't let me forget this. Join our Telegram channel too. So we drop signals there. So currently, as I'm recording this video, I've dropped one crash 300 signal. We are cashing the spike and we are in a lot of profit. You understand? So join this. Click on the link under the description of this video. And if you have a one-on-one conversation with me, my WhatsApp contact is under the description. You can message me. I will reply immediately. Thank you.